Home Remedies presents incredible mixture that will make your home smell so wonderful. Your guests will envy you. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video, like always, is going to be very interesting with some great recipes coming your way. I am going to show you how to make a natural fragrance which is more effective than commercial air fresheners. You can spray your home with it and the pleasant smell will remain for a long period of time. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Guys, I truly believe that there is not anything more pleasant than a house with a wonderful fragrance all around. Though many people are unaware of the fact that odor affects our mood. Many people are dealing with unpleasant odors in their home, which can really ruin your mood. Unpleasant smells and odors in the home are difficult to get rid of, but all of this can be a thing of the past when you prepare the wonderful mixture I have for you today. The natural fragrance I am going to show you how to prepare will get rid of any kind of odor in your home and keep it smelling fresh and pleasant. Just spray it in your living room and you will instantly feel much better. Once you start using this amazing fragrance, you will fall in love with it and everyone who steps inside your home will envy you forever. The remedy is quite easy to prepare and the ingredients are mostly found in our homes. Here's how to prepare it in the right way. A natural fragrance recipe. You will need these ingredients: 1 spray bottle, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 cups of lukewarm water, 3 tablespoons of fabric softener. Preparation, method and use. Put the 3 tablespoons of fabric softener in the spray bottle. After that, add the 3 cups of lukewarm water in the bottle. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and close the bottle. Shake the bottle well until the ingredients are mixed. Spray the mixture all over your house. If you would like to use a homemade fabric softener, I am going to show you how to prepare it right away, so that you can save money. With this fabric softener, your clothes will have a unique aroma. Fabric softener recipe. You will need these ingredients: 150 to 200 ml of hot water, 10 grams of baking soda, 800 ml of apple cider vinegar, 20 drops of essential oil, your choice, 3.5 liters plastic container. Preparation and method of use. Make sure the plastic container is made from plastic and it is large, because the fabric softener is growing and it will spill out of the container. Pour the hot water in the plastic container. Add the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda. The chemical reaction will create bubbles, but do not worry, it is normal. When the bubbles go away, put the mixture into an empty bottle of fabric softener. Add a few drops of essential oil. Finally, stir it and store it in a dark, cool place. You can use this natural softener by adding it in washing machine or in the soaking clothes. Simply use it as a normal fabric softener. It will make your clothes smell nice for a long time. You can prepare these natural products instead of buying commercial ones, which are full of chemicals. You will surely be amazed by the results when you try them. Start making them now. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.